today. Well, it's in a video. I know I said I was going to post another video tomorrow, but I changed my mind. I'm going to do another video today, and then like thousands more videos today, and tomorrow I'll still do videos. But this video is about how adorable my cat is. Look at her. Isn't she adorable? She's so adorable. She likes belly rubs. She likes belly rubs. She's so sweet. I also have an adorable dog named Willow. There's Willow. Isn't she adorable? She also loves belly rubs. And I would give you a house tour, but I don't want to. So yeah. And today we're gonna see something cool. Look, that might look like actual fruit in this tray thing, but it's just breakable. Yeah, it's breakable. It's not actually fruit. Just hear this. Hear that? That's breakable. So, yeah. This candle, it smells so good. It smells so good, I promise. If I just smell it, it smells so good. Jeez, how do you open this thing? Do you know how to open this thing, guys? Let's just not open it, but I do know it smells so good. But Nellie, she's a really sensitive cat. She loses her hair a lot. She has so adorable eyes. She's not new. She's very old. She's so precious and sweet. She will meow sometimes. But she doesn't scratch. Well, she does scratch if you just don't put her down when she wants you to. So, yeah. So, let's go see my second dog. My second dog is also adorable. She just has lots of fur. Look at her. Look how adorable she is. She's adorable. She's an adorable doggo. So now we're just going to, that's all. Give this video a huge like, subscribe, turn that bell button. Hope you like the video.